Hey guys, so today I'm going to explain you one generic scenario. So suppose from source you are getting file in which you are getting a country name in a comma separated format. Okay, and that you are storing in the raw layer, and in the harmonized layer what happens, you have to split that id into multiple country names. So how you are going to validate that whatever country name is present corresponding to each id is present in the harmonized layer? So that you can do by using the explode function. So how you will do? So like select id and explode outer split country, because you need to split country that is coming in a comma separated format, and you need to mention the delimiter. So here it is comma, so you can mention it like comma. Suppose in any of the file, if it is some different delimiter is coming, so you can mention the same delimiter here as well. So now give the alias name for this one and select the country name, table name 1, which is the raw layer. Okay, so when you run this query you will get the output like this way. So now in the second validation you can directly execute the accept function, like accept, like this query you need to write and accept select id and country from the harmonized layer. So this way you can validate that the all ids and countries getting splitted into one into many rows in the further layer.